website that allows you to write better content faster using AI. Let's go. All you need is to go to copy.ai, then click on get started. It's free. So you can sign up using your Google or sign up with your email. Step 2 is you can create your new project, or you can now choose from these templates. So you can use it on your blog, on social media content, email marketing, and more. So example, we will use social media content. So example, share tips and knowledge. Then click on start new project. So example, we will use this online marketing. The industry, the information, and also on the next step is you can choose a tone. So you can use friendly, or you can use adventurous or persuasive. Then click on create content and see the magic happens. Okay, see.